Well, it started out looking like this ugly fireplace. We never liked it, so we ripped it out, and after 2 years of on and off work, here's the final product. So one day I came home from work, and Amy and Eva pointed out that some of the rock on the hearth had fallen over. We briefly discussed gluing it back up, but then we decided, you know what? We never liked the hearth anyways. So let's just rip it out. And so I did. The night I was smashing this thing out, we were praying that James, who was an infant at that point, wouldn't wake up. And Eva was pretty little, as you can see. Because the chimney had been installed after the fireplace was put in, I had to smash a giant hole just to get the chimney out so I could pull the fireplace out. I may have done it wrong, but that's how I did it.
Uh-oh.
So what happened over there? What do you think?
I took it down.
You can't touch it though.
Can I take it down though?
You can look at it. Don't touch it though.
Oh, what that happened?
Daddy broke that.
I heard him.
Did you hear him doing that?
Yeah. He woke me up, a baby. Oh, there's smell. Oh, see that smell? Oh, those pipes. 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 Those are pipes.
I literally put an ad up on Craigslist and said, whoever wants this giant piece of free aluminum, first come, first serve. The guy was there in 30 minutes flat. So after living with a giant hole in the wall for several weeks, these were the sketches I came up with. I built a base cabinet out of 3/4 inch plywood. It went deeper in the bottom because originally I was going to mount a stereo receiver. That turned into DVD drawers later.
What are you painting? Oh.
Because the fireplace had power to run the fan, I just repurposed that power to install an outlet where the TV was and put an outlet in the back of the cabinet where the receiver was. Although it looks like I'm doing this in real time, actually I think like a year went by before I actually built these drawers, because you can see how much older James is now. It was just a project I never really wanted to do, but it happened. James, are you having fun? Can you show me how you paint? Ooh, you do a good job. You got Eva's old painting clothes on. How cute is that? If you can't tell, we had a bunch of paint left over from when we painted our living room. So we, for free, used the same paint on the cabinet. That's why it matches the wall perfectly. It was just a cheap way to finish a project.
Yes.
Pull it all the way out, Eva.
Can
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All we gotta do is pay. So somewhere along the way, the bottom shelves that were supposed to be the AV equipment turned into DVD drawers. The reason is we got rid of the receiver and speakers, and instead I installed a sound bar. Much better and easier for just a living room.